Black Friday 2024 is officially here, and if you've been eyeing the DJI Mini 4, now is the perfect time to make your purchase. DJI, the leader in consumer drone technology, has just unveiled some massive Black Friday discounts on its latest drone, the Mini 4. Known for its compact design, impressive camera capabilities, and user-friendly features, the DJI Mini 4 has been one of the most popular drones for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Now, with these special Black Friday offers, you can grab it at a fraction of the price. The DJI Mini 4 comes packed with incredible features that set it apart from other drones in the same category. With 4K video recording, advanced obstacle sensors, and a robust flight time, the Mini 4 offers a professional-level experience at a more affordable price point. The lightweight and foldable design also makes it highly portable, ideal for travelers and outdoor adventurers. Whether you're shooting stunning aerial footage or capturing wide-angle landscape shots, the Mini 4 delivers high-quality performance. This Black Friday, DJI is offering significant price cuts, bringing the DJI Mini 4 closer to a broader audience. The standard package now features reduced prices, making it even more accessible to casual users and hobbyists looking to elevate their aerial photography. There are also bundle deals, where customers can snag extra accessories, like extra batteries, propellers, and a carry case, all for a discounted price. For those who've been waiting for the right time to jump into the drone world, these Black Friday deals are the perfect opportunity. With the DJI Mini 4, you can explore your creative side, whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or just someone who loves capturing stunning aerial shots. The DJI Fly App, which comes with the Mini 4, allows users to customize their flight experience, making it easier than ever to get smooth, cinematic shots. As Black Friday discounts continue to roll out, it's clear that this is one of the best deals of the year. If you've been eyeing the DJI Mini 4 for a while, now is the time to act and grab this top-rated drone before the sale ends.